Top 20 tourist places in Coorg. 1. Abbey Falls. Located about 8 kilometers from Madikeri, Abbey Falls is one of Coorg's most popular attractions. The waterfall cascades from a height of about 70 feet into a coffee plantation valley. The path to the falls passes through lush coffee and spice estates, making the journey scenic and aromatic. During the monsoon, the falls roar with full force, surrounded by misty greenery, creating a breathtaking sight. Uniqueness. Scenic trek through plantations, photography from Hanging Bridge, roaring falls during monsoon. Best time to visit, July to October, for full flow, and November to February, for pleasant weather. 2. Raja's Seat. This historic garden was once a favorite retreat of Kodagu kings to watch the sunset with their queens. Perched on a hilltop, it offers panoramic views of valleys and rolling hills draped in mist. The garden is beautifully landscaped with flowers, artificial fountains, and seating areas. The morning mist and evening sunsets make it a romantic spot for visitors. Uniqueness. Sunset viewpoint, musical fountain, landscaped gardens. Best time to visit, October to March. Clear skies for panoramic views. 3. Mandalpatti Viewpoint. Located about 20 kilometers from Madikeri, Mandalpatti is a high-altitude grassland that provides a spectacular 360-degree view of the Western Ghats. Known as the cloudland of Coorg, the hill is often covered with fog and drifting clouds. Reaching here involves a thrilling jeep ride or a trek through forest trails, making it a favorite for adventure seekers. Uniqueness. Jeep safari, trekking, cloud-wrapped hilltops. Best time to visit, November to March. Avoid monsoon due to slippery trails. 4. Dubare Elephant Camp. Situated on the banks of the Kaveri River, Dubare is a unique ecotourism site where visitors can interact with elephants. Once a training camp for elephants used in the Mysore Dasara, today it allows tourists to feed, bathe, and learn about these gentle giants. It is surrounded by lush forests, making it both an educational and fun experience for families. Uniqueness. Elephant bathing, coracle rides, riverside camping. Best time to visit, October to May. Pleasant weather, elephants are active. 5. Tala Kaveri. The origin of the sacred Kaveri River, Talakaveri is located on Brahmagiri Hill. It is considered a holy site for Hindus, with a temple dedicated to goddess Kaveri Amma. The surrounding hills are covered in mist, and a climb up to the Brahmagiri peak offers panoramic views. The site is especially significant during the Tula Sankramana festival, when devotees gather to witness the water springing from its source. Uniqueness. Sacred spring, Brahmagiri hilltop view, Tula Sankramana festival. Best time to visit, October to March. Clear skies, good for temple visits. 6. Nisargadhama, Kaveri Nisargadhama. An island formed by the Kaveri River, spread across 64 acres and connected by a hanging bridge. It is a serene spot filled with bamboo groves, sandalwood, and teak trees. Activities include boating, elephant rides, and nature walks. The island also has deer and rabbit enclosures, making it ideal for children and family outings. Uniqueness. Boating, elephant rides, deer park, riverside picnic. Best time to visit, October to May. River activities are open. 7. Abbey Falls. A sacred waterfall located in the Brahmagiri Hills, Irupu is both a natural wonder and a pilgrimage site. The Lakshmana Tirtha River, a tributary of the Kaveri, flows here. According to legend, Lord Lakshmana shot an arrow into the ground to create this stream during his search for water in the Ramayana. The falls gush down 170 feet, surrounded by dense forest, making it ideal for trekking and photography. Uniqueness. Trekking trails, Lakshmana Tirtha River, pilgrimage vibes. Best time to visit, August to December, post-monsoon for strong flow. 8. Bilakupa, Golden Temple, Namdroling Monastery. One of the largest Tibetan settlements in India, Bilakupa is home to the Namdroling Monastery, popularly called the Golden Temple. The monastery houses giant gilded statues of Lord Buddha, Padmasambhava, and Amitayus. The serene chants, Tibetan architecture, and vibrant prayer flags transport visitors into a peaceful spiritual world. Uniqueness, Tibetan architecture, prayer chants, giant golden Buddha statues. Best time to visit, October to March. Cool weather, ideal for monastery visits. 9. Tadiandamol Peak. About the highest peak in Coorg at 1,748 meters, Tadiandamol is a trekker's paradise. The trek passes through coffee plantations, shola forests, and grasslands. From the summit, the views of the Western Ghats are breathtaking. It is less commercialized compared to other peaks, making it an untouched haven for nature lovers. Uniqueness, trekking, camping, panoramic Western Ghats views. Best time to visit, October to February, cool and clear weather. 10. Omkareshwara Temple. About. Built in 1820 by King Linga Rajendra II, this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Its architecture is a unique blend of Gothic and Islamic styles, unlike typical South Indian temples. The temple tank is home to a large number of fish, which devotees feed as an offering. Its calm environment makes it both a religious and cultural landmark. Uniqueness. Temple pond, Indo-Islamic architecture, peaceful ambience. Best time to visit, year-round, October to March for comfortable weather. 11. Madikeri Fort. About. Originally built in the 17th century by Mudu Raja, this fort has been reconstructed and renovated by various rulers, including Tipu Sultan and the British. The fort complex houses a palace, 2 life-sized elephant statues, a museum, and a church. It stands as a reminder of Coorg's royal and colonial past. Uniqueness, colonial history, museum, panoramic views of Madikeri town. Best time to visit, October to March, ideal for exploring historical sites. 12. Harangi Dam. About. Built across the Harangi River, this dam is located near Kushalnagar. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's a peaceful spot away from the crowds. During the monsoon, the dam is at its scenic best, with water gushing through its gates. It's also a great picnic location for families. Uniqueness, boating, fishing, picnic with family, monsoon water release views. Best time to visit, July to December, monsoon and post-monsoon. 13. Chitali, coffee plantations. About. Coorg is world famous for its coffee, and Chitali is one of the best places to experience plantation tours. The rolling hills covered with coffee estates, pepper vines, and cardamom plants provide a sensory delight. Visitors can learn about coffee making, from bean to brew, and taste authentic Coorg coffee. Uniqueness, coffee estate walks, pepper and cardamom farms, authentic Coorg coffee tasting. Best time to visit, November to March, harvesting season, plantations look lush. 14. Gadage Raja's tombs. About. These Indo-Saracenic style tombs are the resting places of Kodagu kings and queens. The structure is adorned with domes, turrets, and intricate carvings. Set against a backdrop of hills, the tombs are both architecturally beautiful and historically significant. The site also provides stunning sunset views. Uniqueness, historical architecture, hilltop sunset views, peaceful environment. Best time to visit, October to March, clear sunsets. 15. Brahmagiri Hills. About. Bordering Kerala, the Brahmagiri Hills are famous for their trekking trails. The trek offers panoramic views of forests, streams, and grasslands. It is also home to rare species of flora and fauna. The Iruppu Falls and Thirunelli Temple are located nearby, adding spiritual and natural charm to the destination. Uniqueness, trekking trails, rare flora and fauna, panoramic valley views. Best time to visit, November to March, ideal trekking season. 16. Hanumanakiri Lake. About. The largest natural lake in Coorg, located near Somwarpet. The lake is surrounded by coffee plantations, hills, and cliffs, making it a scenic picnic spot. It is associated with local legends and is worshipped by villagers during the Gauri festival. Boating and fishing are also popular here. Uniqueness, boating, fishing, Gowrie festival rituals, serene lake views. Best time to visit, October to March, calm weather for boating. 17.
Somwarpet. About.
A small town in Coorg, known for its coffee and spice plantations. It serves as a gateway to trekking trails like Pushpagiri and Kodagu. The town is less crowded, offering an authentic glimpse of Kodagu culture, food, and rural life. Uniqueness. Rural Coorg life, plantation stays, trekking starting points. Best time to visit, November to March, cool weather, trekking friendly. 18. Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. About, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most important bird sanctuaries in India. It is home to endangered and rare bird species such as the Malabar trogon and Nilgiri flycatcher. The sanctuary also includes trekking routes to peaks like Kumara Parvatha, making it a blend of adventure and wildlife exploration. Uniqueness, birdwatching, trekking to Kumara Parvatha, rare wildlife. Best time to visit, November to March, clear skies and trekking season. 19.
Kotbetta. About.
The third highest peak in Coorg, standing at 1,620 meters. The name means Fort Hill, as its shape resembles a fort. The trek is relatively easy and offers panoramic views of coffee estates and valleys. It is also associated with legends of the Pandavas, who are believed to have spent time here during their exile. Uniqueness. Trekking, mythology, linked with Pandavas, panoramic plantation views. Best time to visit, October to March, pleasant trekking conditions. 20. Mandalpatti Falls. About, located at the foothills of Pushpagiri, Mandalpatti is one of the tallest and most beautiful waterfalls in Coorg.
The Kaveri River plunges from about 200 feet into a deep gorge. Surrounded by dense forests and mist, the falls look most majestic during monsoon and post-monsoon seasons. Uniqueness. Trekking trails, photography, gushing falls during monsoon. Best time to visit, July to December, peak waterfall flow. Travel tips for Coorg. Ideal duration, 3 to 5 days. Best overall season, October to March, cool, pleasant, perfect for sightseeing. How to reach. By air, Kannur, 95 kilometers, Mangalore, 160 kilometers, Bangalore, 260 kilometers. By rail, Mysore, 120 kilometers. By road, well connected from Bangalore, Mysore, and Mangalore.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more travel updates.